Good morning, everyone. Today we will see regarding the quality of a nurse. In that, the first quality is love for the fellow man. Means nurse should show her love to the every individual or patient who taking care from her. Then honestly and loyalty means nurse should be loyal in uh, every condition. Okay, if she is providing care to the any individual, so in that care she should be honest and loyal. Then next quality is discipline and obedience means nurse should be follow each and every rules and regulation, and she should be maintain the discipline, and also she should be obedient in her work. Then alertness and intelligent observation means nurse should be alert at every time. She do not avoid any critical or any simple situation. She should be aware and alert in the each and every small situation. And she should be intelligent observation means very sharp observation or sharp assessment she should have. Then technical competence means she should also have knowledge regarding technology. Okay, if she do not have knowledge, so she cannot handle any computer or any monitoring work. So she should be have a technical ability or technical knowledge. Then dependability and adjustability means nurse should be adjust and in every situation. She cannot say that I am not able to do this work. She should be adjust in every situation. Then ability to inspire confidence means the patient who are admitted in the hospital, they do not have any type of confidence. They have anxiety and fear. So nurse should have some qualities through which they can she can inspire or motivate that patient. Then resourcefulness, economy of time, material and energy means nurse should have knowledge regarding the each and everything. Okay, she should also have uh, she should also have value of time. Okay, she cannot waste time in any situation. If any emergency if any emergency situation is there, so she should be always value that time. She cannot avoid the that situation. Then the next quality is courtesy and dignity. Means nurse should maintain his or her dignity in every condition. Then sympathy, empathy, tact and poise means nurse should have such type of perception regarding the medical conditions, or she cannot make any decision by her, or she should be give she should have some ability to provide some sympathy or empathy to the patient in any worse situation. Then intelligence and common sense means nurse should have adequate knowledge regarding the every situation. If she cannot explain anything to the patient means patient cannot able to adjust with her. So nurse should have such type of knowledge or some common sense that she cannot laugh at the patient, or she cannot laugh in any very worse situation. So she has also some common sense. Then patience and sense of humor. Well, patient feel good in some condition when nurse have some sense of humor. So nurse also have some sense of humor. So means sense of humor means quality to make someone laugh. Okay, or she should also have some patience. Then good physical and mental health. This is the main quality which all nurse should have, because the physical and mental health should be crucial part of the health health professional. So every personnel should have a good physical and mental health. If they are not physically and mentally fit, so they cannot treat or they cannot do care of the ill patient. Then generosity and gentleness and quietness. So nurse should be gentle to everyone. They should she should not be rude, or she should not express her anger in front of the patient. She should be gentle and quiet in every situation. She should be handle or she should have some quality to maintain the or manage this emergency or immediate situation. Then next, there is a one